All right, so good afternoon. Tim and 7KOM here, and we are up at my home QTH, Cooper Mountain, and I'm going to do some Morse code practice. And I'm going to try to set up a recorder, see if I can't get that figured out and dialed, so when I'm on like an actual summit, I can actually record some Morse code and send it to you guys to tell me where I'm messing up. Anyway, so quick activation today. I've already activated this mountain a number of times, so this is just for the Morse code practice. So past few times up here, I've just been bringing the Morse code rig, but figured I'd give the local 2-meter guys a chance to get me. So just for fun, we'll call CQ.
Whiskey Juliet 7, Whiskey Juliet.
Hey, Whiskey Juliet 7, Whiskey Juliet. I'm on Cooper Mountain today. Just came up here for some quick Morse code practice, but figured I'd give some 2-meter calls, see who's around.
Alright, very good. That's 99.
Yeah, Whiskey Victor 099, and you're about a 5'3".
Alright, you're about a 5'7", 5'7".
All right, well, thanks for coming back to my call. I'm gonna get a spot out and see who else is around.
All right, very good. I'll listen for your Morse code.
Roger, roger. Thanks. Appreciate it. N7, KOM.
Kilo Juliet 7, Uniform India Zulu.
All right, Kilo Juliet 7, Uniform India Zulu. I got you at a full 5'9" from Cooper Mountain. Whiskey Victor 099.
Whiskey 7 Romeo Tango Alpha.
Whiskey 7 Romeo Tango Alpha. I got you at a full 5'9" from Cooper Mountain.
Whiskey 7 Romeo Mike Romeo.
Whiskey 7 Romeo Mike Romeo. I got you at a full 5'9" from Cooper Mountain.
Hey there, about a 5'7" coming into Sherwood.
W7RTA, are you out on your bike?
Roger, roger. Yeah, I'm out on my bike. I'm gonna do some Morse code practice. I don't really have room to throw an antenna up at home, so I'm pretty lucky that, you know, only a 1.6 mile and 200 feet gain is Cooper Mountain, so I can ride up here and do some SOTA and practice my Morse code.
Roger that. That's great. Yeah, I was wondering if you were out on your bike, because this isn't one of your typical summits.
Roger, roger. Well, I mean, it's typical, but lately I've been leaving my HT at home, but I figured today, Friday afternoon, bring it along and get some of you local guys before I get on HF.
Roger that. Well, good luck with it. Have fun. W7RTA. Kilo Juliet 7, Echo Hotel Alpha.
Kilo Juliet 7, Echo Hotel Alpha. You are a full 5'9" from Cooper Mountain.
Well, hello, good afternoon. You're 4'3" here, 4'3", kind of scratchy. I think you're just behind one of the local hills here, but I can make you out okay. Thanks for activating.
All right, let's get HF set up.
N7 KOM, N7 KOM, W7HO.
W7HO, this is November 7, Kilo Oscar Mike. W7HO, this is November 7, Kilo Oscar Mike. Do you copy?
Roger, roger. N7 KOM, W7HO. You're running about a 2x2 down here in Salem right now, over.
Roger, roger. Hey, now that I'm looking at my radio, you're barely cracking the S meter there. You're 1122, 1122, but I can hear you a bit scratchy though.
Yeah, but I can pick everything